Before coming to Citywide, I had 30 plus years working in the corporate world. I held senior leadership positions, always in operations, sales, and service. I knew I was looking for a change. I wasn't sure what that change was going to be. I worked with a franchise consultant, and after taking a number of assessments with just the franchise consultant, I knew that this was something I could really commit to. What I especially liked about Citywide is, for one, we have an essential service. You can live without a lot of things, eating a burger or whatnot from a lot of franchises, but how long can you go on without having your offices cleaned or your building cleaned? I don't think you need to have facilities experience in your background. I do believe that you need to be a problem solver, because in this job, that's what you're doing. You're taking people's headaches on, solving them for them, and coming up with solutions. I get to help people all day long. And I look at the job as being very two-pronged, right? I am helping our clients resolve their issues, whether it be snow plowing or cleaning their restrooms. I'm helping on that side. But the other piece that was very important to me was helping the people that contract with me. So my subcontractors today all come with experience running their own jobs, but I have the opportunity to grow their business along with them. And that's very satisfying. For someone coming into Citywide new, who's chosen Citywide as the franchise they want to be part of, we are literally a family. You will find a tremendous amount of support here. You can call, meet, greet, go visit any other franchisee in the system, and they will help you be successful.